Hello everyone, today our topic is parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. The parts of speech are the building blocks of language and they help us communicate effectively. Let's understand one by one. The first one is noun. A noun names a person, place, animals or thing. For example, cat, desk, pencil, books and students. All are nouns. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. For example, happy, tall, yellow and funny. All are adjectives. Verb. A verb is a word or group of words that describe an action, feeling or state. For example, drink, look, sing, love and stand. All are action words. Interjection. An interjection expresses a strong emotion. It is a short exclamation. Wow! This presentation was amazing. Wow is an interjection. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells how often, where and when. For example, I always have a big cup of coffee in the morning. Pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. For example, Tina is a teacher. She is teaching us English. She is a pronoun. Preposition. A preposition is used before a noun, pronoun to show place, time or direction. For example, the star is on your head. On is a preposition. Conjunction. Conjunctions join words or group of words in a sentence. For example, Tina, Peter and Pedro are taking an online class. And is a conjunction. Thanks for watching.